Alright, so when we first open Notion, you will have something like this, okay? Before we begin, I want to tell you about something, which is from the three dots here, you can change the font type, whatever you want, if you like serif, if you like mono, but I'm okay with the default, which is sans serif. I like it. And here you can choose, you can make the text small like this, or you look, it's small, or like this. I like it like this, it's better. And here we can choose full width to make the page take the full width like this, or we can make it just like this, but I like the full width. Okay, the other things we're not going to need right now. Let's start by naming our page in Notion. Let's make it, for example, test.